Today, I'll show you how to change your 401k contribution using Gusto. Whether you're an employer or employee, adjusting your 401k contribution is a vital part of managing your retirement savings plan. Having the flexibility to make these changes ensures that your savings strategy aligns with your current financial goals. So, let's dive into the simple steps to get this done efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to the People section. You can find this on the left side menu when you're logged into your Gusto account. This section is essentially your command center for managing your team, and it's where you'll be able to access all employee-related information. Once you're there, click on Team Members. This will bring up a list of all the employees associated with your account. Scroll through or use the search function to find the specific employee whose 401k contribution you wish to change. After you've located the target employee, click on their name to open their profile. Here, you'll see various tabs containing different types of information about the employee. What you're looking for is the Benefits tab. This is where you'll find all the details related to the employee's benefits, including the 401k plan. Once you're in the Benefits tab, find the active 401k benefit profile. You'll see a small edit option next to it. Click on Edit, and this will open up the section where you can make changes to the 401k contribution details. Now, it's time to modify the recurring deduction details. Depending on your financial goals, you might want to adjust the dollar amount or alter the percentage rate of the contribution. It's important to ensure that the new contribution amount fits within your budget while still helping you reach your retirement savings goals. Take a moment to consider whether you want to increase or decrease your contributions. If you're unsure, it might be helpful to consult with a financial advisor to determine what makes the most sense for your situation. Once you've decided on the new contribution details, go ahead and input the changes. Double-check to make sure everything looks right. It's always a good idea to review your entries to avoid any errors that could affect your savings or payroll. After confirming the changes, click Save. This action will update the employee's 401k contribution details in the system. You've now successfully changed the 401k contribution, and these changes will be reflected in the next payroll cycle. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage 401k contributions in Gusto, ensuring that your retirement plan stays aligned with your financial objectives. Remember, regularly reviewing and adjusting your contributions can make a significant difference in reaching your retirement savings goals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other guides for more tips on managing benefits and payroll with Gusto. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.